I'd like to start by asking you the question that most of the Greek citizens want to pose to a European Commissioner. How soon do you believe Greece could return to growth? And when that happens, could there be any changes in the current austerity program implemented in accordance with the Troika in order to achieve the budgetary targets?
Let me say it's a mid and long-term difficult process for Greece, for all your citizens, for your economy, for your government, and in a close partnership to the European Union and our Eurozone member states. But there's some progress. Indeed, what your government and your parliament decided is strong, is a huge challenge, brings social problems, but is necessary. And there's some first successful development to be seen. But again, it's a long-term process, so we need some more years. And I would say 2014 should be the first year for a first step of growth, and so for a better development for your labor market as well. We are accompanying this process with our Troika, with our experts in our European Commission, with our Eurozone ministers, and we are sensitive. And at the moment, it's the obligation of Greece, what you are doing, yes, to realize all proposals and to realize all obligations, as you didn't do. And let me say, I'm sure at the end of this process, or maybe in 2014, there will come a time for to make a status and to speak about your total debt. And let me be very frank, 180 or 190% of your national GDP, yes, is not long-term feasible. And so I think we should speak about a haircut when you did your job, when we have some first developments of growth, but then we need, as a next step of solidarity, maybe discussions and decisions to a haircut to come to a lower total debt related to the GDP increase.
So, Mr. Rediker, that would be our next question. Do you consider the Greek debt to be sustainable, or will a new haircut be needed?
At the moment, your debt has to be accepted. But on a mid and long term, it's not sustainable. I'm sure that a country and an economy as the Greek one is can't accept and can't manage on a mid and long term more than 100% of debt related to the GDP. And so we should speak about haircuts in 2014.